Better good evening. Welcome to Coco of the Matter for Inside Your Bonge Station, Wazobia Max TV. Time don't reach, make we enter inside the work where una carry us come here, say make we they do. And that now to the break all the political talk where they inside this country, make we they understand them as they go on, and make we also they fit the chukum out inside the matter to see whether we go make it the ones where they bad, whether it go better, and the ones where it good too, make it better for inside the matter. My name is Nyesom Wike. We say better welcome once again to Coco of the Matter for today. Yes, today, what is today again? Today is Thursday. Like joke, the week don't they waka they go. But I day here with my ever trusted Oga at the top. We go follow us the chukum out inside this matter. Oga Femi, welcome, sir.
Agree to well. I will not day today we say everything carry blend and the kaja. I hope say the small change of the weather. You know, change good your bank account too. They say a person will get bank account. Now they look and say make us sleep 5 more minutes when money the bank. But if money no the bank, wake up. Now you go follow your body when you don't the reason am. Now you the wake alarm clock may wake up. Say me time don't reach to work. Inside today's program, plenty things they will go do. As always, now know where to find us. Whether na tweet, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere where you feel say you measure meet you, find out for there. As you look at by yourself, remember to share and give your friend. Those your 5,000 friend, 1,000, 2,000. Share the thing where they watch, give them. May they know say you self you get people where they give you better talk. Current affairs we matter pass for inside this country where we do so. My name is Afemi D. Amele. Carry welcome inside program.
All right, for today we get better talk we don't carry come. As always, we go show enter inside political waka, see waiting they make the headlines for the different parts of the country. But after political waka, we come bring the cocoa of the day they come. Now, I sure say when I don't they hear all the different talk, especially as they just release say, oh yeah, campaign time don't start now. The group different groups then where they come out, they talk about okay, the person where they support be this, now the person where they follow be this, now the person where they carry for mouth be this. Everything, everybody they show which side their side they. Well, as far as you get to do with the different candidates, the one where they show support will pass now, where we they see, especially in the last few days, get to do with the one where we call regional group. That is, if you did from this side of the country, they get a joint body group where they call the different names where they call whether not from the east, whether from north, whether not from south, different groups. Like to come out, they talk the different things, and some we get they come out even within the same group where they say it be like saying that this organ now we go to follow put inside the same group. Another person could talk say now this organ with the follow put all these different endorsement or support where they show it go make any difference at all. Now be our cocoa of today, and we get Bunge guests we go follow us to come out inside the matter. But now inside the internet now she go join us, Madam Aisha Yesufu 9 day on ground to follow us to come out inside this matter. Make allow Oga Femi give us any other thing where you want to talk to add to this matter.
You know, no pass now. In fact, get where she do work on top Nigeria matter. Where some people say if they look this thing, they know say na Aisha Yesufu of Nigeria. Now do that one. She dey ginger any talk will be like say go affect Nigeria. She carry and put for chest. Her husband say no worry, are they with you? Even she dey with Nigerians. Now from bring back her guest times. Now she done the waka come on top different matter, and she still the ginger. They go say Nigeria must better inside their lifetime. And yes, because of that, now we say me will bring and come inside the program. It's today me will follow and talk. Ask 1 or 2 questions. May she ginger us onto waiting she don't see all these regional things where they hear on top different matter for Nigeria. How it be? You they look and say Nigerians don't learn less to say no follow tribe, no follow religion, follow the person where your heart be. That kind of question I want the answer. You said go arrange your question and answer. Put for us or inside WhatsApp at different places as we they go for inside this show today. So no worry, we there you can't pay. But for now, we'll start with political waka. We told you they inside that document, we will see. Oh yeah, now more open book, more the color one by each.
But instead of first story, yes, so election matter don't dey near in feel like say you go just close eye, open them now, time don't reach. Well, to show say they're not play on top the matter, INEC Chairmo don't swear 19 resident electoral commissioners put for inside the work. He say yes, make them enter inside, make them know say the work where they do is serious, well. They say 5 of the 19 RECs, they be returning commissioners where Oga Muhammadu Buhari can't carry them, come back again, say make they can't do the work. They say they also carry the 19 reps to the different geopolitical zones, not the one where they come from, but other states outside their origin. And they say all this INEC matter where they do now, any commissioner no go fit serve inside him or his own state, him or her own state.
Interview as a day inside United States of America. And I remember saying the America, some people from America invited us, say, may you come talk on some small things. When they come start talk, he come do one interview with the radio people, say, hey, say, as he did like this, so, say, he go sell refineries. The four way Nigeria gets now, he go sell and give better businessmen, will sabi business, to make sure, say, Nigeria get profit on top of the work of oil matter. He say all those oil thieves, he know how he go catch them. Say he go catch them. Say make country people, make the elected as president, they go see better work. He arrange this talk put for outside inside this Tuesday. He say all the things where NPC they do, he never do reach. Main talk say they don't do it, but say wait, he brag chest say if you now put me for president, now go see the huge amount of money, better money where they put for inside corner, we go come outside. And now all the refiners when they work, when they reach the hand of business people, they go now they go turn them from dead man to life man for inside oil matter.
And for our next story, Oga of APC will be presidential candidate Bola Tinubu. The saying don't find out Ingo finally flag off in campaign for inside Plateau State, as the APC also, as they follow join this talk now, say they don't finally release their presidential campaign timetable, and the waka go start officially for inside November 15 when they do the launching for inside Jos. From there go they do plenty waka on top of the matter, plus one we go to do inside abroad from 4th to 10th of December, plus the one where they go do February 8th where they go do rally and all of that for inside the FCT Abuja, till they come to do the Lagos one for inside February 13. Of course, for inside all this talk and waka and rally, where they do some kind heavy meetings like that with people where they call stakeholders across the country as soon as the rally kick off officially.
Inside Ogun State for PDP, they don't per se Oga Adebutu, they say may it come they go. This one now the man will be former governorship aspirant for inside the state. Alongside with four other people, they say he don't reach to pursue them come up for the party until the waiting they do. Like the Adebutu, they say the way they do for inside Day 25 for 2022. Say we hear and we see evidence to say you carry go delegate list, you go change up for inside PDP. And this one, you know, follow our party. Now go remember say this man Ladi Adebutu, he followed down with popular person where they inside that place, inside Ogun State, where they call Baba Jebu, Adebutu Baba Jebu in that one. They say, first of all, we don't suspend her, but now it don't reach time to pursue him. This one, he follow when they set a meeting for 5-man committee. Look and say, can they go? No spoil our party name for inside here.
For inside our next story, we see say the politics don't they tick, it don't they carry rapper, carry walking stick join, because this story where they see now, according to the spokesperson for People's Democratic Party, Oga Kola Ologbondiyan, it come out talk say 5 APC governors, 9 they sit down, they talk with Oga Atiku inside how they will do the matter of the elections where they come up. Yes, we know say Oga Festus Keyamo will be Minister of State for Labour and Employment, and also Chief Spokesperson of Tinubu-Shettima Presidential Campaign already come out earlier when they talk say all these where they go on inside PDP, say may they not worry, say the people then where they vex for the matter where they happen for PDP, say they like say they go choke them out inside the waiting they happen with Oga Tinubu to see say they support their bid. Well, according to Ologbondiyan now, not be only for waka from that side to that side they go, they say even from the APC to PDP too, people they reason 1 or 2 movements. Well, not movements per se, but at least now talking. Now Oga Ologbondiyan talk say they talk. He not come on tell us waiting the talk mean. He not come on tell us waiting go happen. But any which way shall we see say all the different parties they follow themselves they talk, because even yesterday we see say some governors for inside PDP still talk with Oga of Labour Party, Oga Peter Obi.
One group where they call Take Back Naija, they don't vex, so they say money where they don't they gather since to support Peter Obi, say government don't go block the account to where they inside the Keystone Bank. They say why they go do them? They say the money where they don't gather now to support Peter Obi when now the Labour presidential candidate. According to Tori where they put for outside through the mouth of Danjuma Garuba Musa inside this Wednesday, yesterday like this, they say This one a political persecution. Oh, they suffer where they want suffer them. On top, say now oppression they do and suppression. Now they won't give the group for this one. Say after we gather money, now government can't do block the accounts. We not go keep quiet, not go keep quiet. This money where we gather now on top Obidati 2023 mandate. Say now see they don't they chance us politically. Now in these people they put for outside.
And the next story we're doing inside our hand get to do with the way they go on, or seemingly they go on for inside Afenifere, as we hear say one person they support another person they support another person. Now the group where they call Muslim Rights Concern don't come out. On the quarrel with Ogapa Ayo Adebanjo, with leader of Afenifere, say how him go support Peter Obi. When I remember say if I don't hear the story, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, one of the former Oga for inside the group of the Afenifere Fashoranti, he can't give his support to Tinubu. So it can't be like say inside the house, one person they support another person, one person they support another person. Now him come out, can't they complain on top the matter? Can't they hail Fashoranti say the one way you do it better, but this one where Oga Ayo Adebanjo do say he not follow at all.
Well, they look now on top of the Kanu. They insane now ready to enter Supreme Court matter to appeal judgment. Say after all the courts we don't find left, right, and center, all of them don't join. You know, can't be like say go enter again. Now from this one, now the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, can say hi. Supreme Court time don't ratio. May we go Supreme Court as Court of Appeal. No judges where we will enter Supreme Court. May they put eye on top the matter for us.
Right, and welcome back. You still there inside the Ogbonge program, Coco of the Matter for inside Wazobia Max Television. Una see say tori full everywhere, but which one will go even take start from safe? Anyway, we go just get small time. We could follow a reason one or two before we say make we join our guests for inside Matter. Of course, one of even the tori we carry come safe for inside political workers still get to do with our Coco of the day matter of bege where they go on to endorse or not to endorse. But make we look at this one where they happen. Different things. For inside the APC, they don't finally start their presidential. They don't release presidential campaign timetable. For inside the PDP, Ogun, they pursue some people. They go because they work well. They not work well. They not work well. Some different stories too. They come out. For inside Labour Party matter, we see say one group where be like say they follow Obidati movement where according to them, Ogbonge government don't block their account. Femi, which one you reason to make we even start with self as they to read them full everywhere?
The one we come be like say shocking now the Ologbondiyan story, the one we come up from PDP. Say 5 APC, I mean 5 PDP governors where say bitterness, they don't touch them on top. The things where they go through for inside PDP. Say they want shift base, say they go support Tinubu. I mean now these same 5 governors now they talk away. Obi talk say I don't set to meet with 5 governors where go support me. You know, say politician now, we no fit trust them. Who be these governors now? They go take photo with this one, take photo with that one. And now understand as it be inside that one. Now in Ologbondiyan way na PDP say those 5 governors now Oga Atiku they say they go support. Obi 2 days ago he say these 5 governors now me where the Labour Party they support. I beg this their supporters. Is they important at all? I mean you know they important at all. This one a better question we for like me will ask you. You think say some of these governors like Wike, Autumn, and who remain safe? Autumn, Sheyi Makinde, they reach like that, Ikpeazu, all of them like that. You reach say their importance and support is important for what they do for inside this one. And this one, it confused Nigeria because remember I said the states where they come from, it matter for the people where they there. They say now the governor go bring us come outside when election come reach, come votes, explain, say who for follow for back. Now reason say he reach to do it like that. Or by themselves, Nigerians don't get mind. Only by each other say, now the person will won't follow be this, and now the person will go to that put be this. You think like that? Oh yeah, I'm fine waiting in the thing.
But you get one thing where you talk, and I just wish say we no go reach point for inside our country where we would talk like that. Say you know say politicians we no go fit trust them. I want reason say maybe 1 or 2 days where we go down at least reason them say okay even if they not get 100, you know 100 over 100, maybe they reach like 60 or 70. You understand? Because this talk now where Oga Ologbondiyan talk, it can't be like saying a vex talk when get to talk because Oga Festus Keyamo first release one bomb like that. Say yes. say wetin dey happen for inside PDP, all these gbas wey dey happen, Wike or no Wike, Atiku or no or no Atiku, say all the tori dey lead to wetin go make Oga Tinubu get upper hand for inside the matter, because the people wey dey vex for the things wey dey happen for inside PDP go strollo give their support to Tinubu. Now, when Oga Ologbondiyan hear this one, he say, why you go talk this kind of thing? Say this talk is not true, not true at all. Say he not dey aware of any wishes or role of APC or in presidential candidates to draw capital from inside the disagreement or the way they go on for inside PDP. So based on that, Oga Ologbondiyan come out, can't even they release his own gas bomb themselves. Say, see, forget that thing where they talk. Even as you dey reason your side too, we too, now they reason our side. Say 5 governors. Now, as Femi don't already talk, we don't know who these 5 governors be. We don't know how their waka take waka. I don't know whether really in a case of say na the G5, because Autumn also talk about say make them not take the G5 for granted. They don't even give governors G5. But last, whether we go fit trust them, whether we no go fit trust them, the most important thing be say, may they do wetin go benefit Nigerians. May they not the reason from the point of personal interest. I think that the most important thing where I get to talk on top the gbege they go on, whether for inside the APC, whether for inside PDP, whether for inside any party gbege they go on, because it can't be like say across all party lines now. None of them where they move straight. I don't know if you know anyone where we don't say their roads just straight like that. They move. No gonna tell us. But for now waiting we see on top the matter. All right, to make we open phone lines now very briefly. I feel like say we go take like maybe one. Yeah, make we take like one call before we close mouth, come out from inside political waka, because we don't carry different to read them. What do you think about this story of Take Back Nigeria group? We come out, talk say it be like say Ubunge governments don't block their accounts because they do some kind serious work for the Ubidati movement and all of that. Different to them we don't put for ground. Make we hear from you. Good evening, welcome to the show.
Yeah, good evening. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Just follow our voice. They talk, leave television small for now.
Did they hear you?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Oh yeah, they talk, they come. Like say we go call yellow fever for this show. They talk, they come. They call, they come.
All right, Oga Kingsley and any other person where they call us, always remember, say when you call us, you get to off the volume for your television so that we go to hear you one. If not, maybe you're not like make your credit they waste. All right, we don't carry some kind different to recom. Any other way without reason one sharply because our guests don't really they wait for us inside the matter. The expulsion of Adebutu and 4 members, former governorship candidate for inside the PDP, for inside Ogun State. Now they don't pursue come out based on 1 or 2 things. Maybe the family, how is the reason that matter?
Well, if you touch the people register true, like they say you touch delegate register, that means a problem don't come with that. What talks a problem don't come with that. So if you reason say anybody change register, that means if you call it causing all the people where you know one by each, all of them like that, maybe they come put their name. That means no list for inside that state go dey authentic. Meaning say everybody go pass and they go vote. The people will say may vote. And in this case now itself. Now remember saying problem start when they first say, okay, you want to PDP governor aspirant Abi. Then from there they say, Baba things they your hand. They come turn out to ex-PDP governor aspirant. They come suspend them. Before finally they come pursue for inside the party. Say the one way you do with 4 people, we don't cash you now on top this delegate list. Whether PDP could come get candidates for inside this 2023 election, that one can day so another matter. Now remember, say some states now they don't even get candidates because court don't judge the matter, INEC don't judge the matter. Say, see the way we now behave for inside say when they do elections, so it no go at all. So this one, it come mean say the best thing to do now it go come affect how it's supposed to be. But may we follow this caller talk very quickly before we carry Oga Aisha enter inside the studio. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
How today?
What to be that your name again? Don't forget to.
Mr. Austin.
Mr. Austin. Oh yeah. They talk with the year you are one.
Okay.
Follow my mouth to leave television. No mind that guy where they talk with you. When you don't call, when you don't connect, they talk with me. They talk, they come, and they hear you.
The INEC issue. At least, as the INEC chairman, they try well. Or in position where they. And so, as even though they don't elect other people will go work with them, may they do their work well. That be the main cocoa, not be to elect them be the problem. As INEC join body, them may they do their work well, so that against 2023 election, everything will move very smoothly. So they also the time they INEC chairman for that.
Okay.
And I pray that God will give him the grace to do his work well.
It's all right. Thank you, bros, for the talk where you don't follow us talk. All right, this one, na better talk where you don't talk. We know say we no go feel carry too many calls, but if you they get WhatsApp message where you want send, wait to me we check it. Wait, be like say the one we don't enter now, you don't want to enter, ba?
You enter inside here. Good evening. Please, that will be that supporters account where them close, not sweet my below. Which kind wahala be this? I beg. I think they sign peace accord. My visa they ready. My visa they ready. Next year go decide whether you go get sense or not. Thanks, Daddy from Kanu. Thank you very, very much, Daddy from Kanu. We enjoy your messages every time you send them. Ima future president, any movement want to take in Nigeria, they will block it. What kind of government is this? Whatever they do, will take back our country next year. Oga future president, you not tell us which one they block, but it's all right. Oga Samuel from Port Harcourt just agree to say good evening, my people. How body, how work? It may say una not the show recent program. I bet where you they watch us from, because all this is where we they show. In fact, now as the thing they break, now we they carry the matter they come. But thank you for your message any which way. We get to bring our guests now enter inside. Maybe the reason waiting they happen onto endorsement or no endorsement from the regional people. Them we they come back after this break.
We have before us very serious issues. You have a simple issue like electronic transmission of results, which is designed to make the electoral process fairer and clearer. And you have people who are saying they do not want it. I mean, shamelessly announcing to the country that they plan to rig. Why aren't we discussing those issues? We have elections in which the police, INEC, security services, they are partisan. When you go for an election in Nigeria, you're not just contesting against your opponent. You're contesting against political thugs, against the security services, against INEC, against the judiciary. Why aren't we talking about that? Why are politicians not talking about how they can give us a more reliable and more transparent process for selecting a leader? Why are they focusing on where the leader should come from? Why is that critical? Why is that the most important thing to discuss at this point in time when you're heading towards an election?
Welcome back to our wonderful people where they watch us from the different parts of Nigeria. Them now cook of the matter now you see there for inside Wazobia Max TV, and time don't reach make we enter inside our cocoa of the day. Shoot away, I could just bring our guests and make una follow her the reason one or two based on the topic where we get on hand, maybe whether it is important, whether it is of any significance, or whether it's still matter of tribe, religion. Now we they see for all these regional endorsements here and there. Madam Aisha Yesufu, better welcome to you. Good evening. Auntie Aisha, you hear us?
You far. Let's say you did
my
somewhere.
Voice far. Okay, our people they work
far.
on make I still raise my voice small, but we they hear you clearly. Good evening once again. Welcome to Cocoa of the Matter.
Thank you. Now well done. Good evening.
Yes, so it don't take where we see you for inside Wazobia Max TV. So make I say better welcome back to you again. Before you they follow us, they can't touch light one or two many things. So make I welcome you back, especially on that matter. Now, this issue of waiting to happen for inside 2023 elections where we they see. Some people, they say, all these different groups where they gather from inside the different regions. Say, they want to they ask them questions to define whether they're sabi the work where they want to do. But if they another thing to the come out, they talk, say, I endorse. Because you know, say we Nigerians, one, we be very traditional people. We get as our elder go talk, where we go say, okay, now like here we go follow, now like here we go follow. How you reason all the drama where don't they go on for the different endorsement matter for the past couple of days?
Hello, Tijapu.
You not hear the talk where I talk just now? You dey hear me? Oh dear. Hello, ma, you dey hear? Okay. Make our people with they touch light to different technology things they work on this matter. I shall say Auntie Aisha will join us very soon. Even if you not see her for video, you go hear her voice inside the WhatsApp call. So we're going to try the two of them so that at least we go get the benefit of her talk inside this matter today. But why did they do that one, Femi?
You know, say as the thing come be now for inside the way we did for the country. Some say 5 East governors, for example, say waiting concern them pass for that side. Now say how we go do way federal government go come out soldier with the automat. How we go do way ECN and the likes of that. They no go they press our neck for inside here. Say any president we want to work. Suppose know all these things. So you know say this now the first time we go see 3 people wake up from 3. In fact, it passed like 4 people wake up from major places for inside Nigeria. Some say, for example, for Southeast, they go look so they go say, Obi, now our boy. But some say, even though say now our guy, but not be the same party we did. That one, na quarrel. You understand? Some go say, where is they popular for not because of that, we follow him for back from Kaduna, say they popular. Some go look, Tinubu say, na Yoruba Muslim. Some say, that formula, na Yoruba Christian for work for me. But say Muslim vice president. No, say all these things, say, now it cause scatter the formula where Nigerians they use votes before. Nigerians they reason how they vote before. They go say whether not this tribe, whether not this religion, they go just reason how do plus minus for their mind, say now like this. But now, as God don't, me I believe say na blessing. No, I believe say this kind thing na blessing. Now inside this country now, I don't yes somebody go talk say now this candidate I follow, but I don't follow in party. I go follow the this president as a president if he win, but I don't go follow this one for senator. And even the governors don't they show us hand say if possible may they inside one party like Sheyi Makinde now where they draw in trouser. They say how you go do go endorse Tinubu when na APC, you na PDP. You say now Yoruba things. In deputy, they look another side for endorsement. Say whether I go follow Atiku for back. You know, say this kind of confusion where they among the politicians, it don't spread, come down, come meet among the regular people now, we go vote. And this kind of confusion now go make us to start the reason. They look things. Look at where look at with sense, look at with waiting and want. Whether this person follow, he no follow. See another example what I give you. See this Afenifere group now. Remember Adebayo and Fashionati. See the thing. Fashionati say, come here, make I pray for you. Pray for Tinubu finish. Adebayo say, na me be the really down. Na me the grand now. Na me be the Afenifere gogon where they bless people and I will be with the follow. It can't show. They can't ask themselves, say, who they lead, who retire, who no tire for they retire, who don't come up for work, who they lead. This kind bese where they show face. It's good because it go allow people may they use themselves by themselves only. May they think. Nobody say go say, now where Auntie Somi follow pass? Which side she follow? Make her follow there. Now, wake up like say Auntie Somi go right and they see a shadow for left. You say go come think what you want think.
All right, we don't reason the matter to one extent, but make we carry our Ugunge guest enter back inside studio. Hopefully now she go to hear us. Madam Aisha, good evening. Welcome back. You dey hear me now?
Thank you. I dey hear you now. But I don't know why you can't defend. I dey hear am clearly before.
Okay, network. Now waiting we see the fight for 2023. Make we get the person we go give us better network. All right, welcome back to the show. I mean, they ask you, say, it gets plenty drama where don't they go on when it comes to different groups as they reason this 2023 election, especially because they're based on religion or tribe. We they get a drama where they go on for inside Afenifere. We get northern groups where they gather their own, they endorse their own. Different groups, they reason who go reason our interest or who go work. We don't even know whether not their interest they look or whether Nigeria interest they look. But for inside waiting you think on top this matter, you feel say all this group endorsement, it makes sense, it not make sense, it's not necessary.
Thank you very much for having me here. What did they happen? It makes sense well. Now so politics supposed be. Now just the way we do our own politics, where to say people, either people not just they care, they not just they bother, or they fear say make them talk, say see waiting they happen. For example, now, as far as Arewa Consultative Forum they concerned, now Arewa matter now concerned them. And anybody where they go meet, now the person will go do the best thing for Arewa, now they go look for now so it be. Afenifere too, now the same thing. Now Afenifere matter, now it's supposed to worry them anything to do with the Southwest, so that they go look the candidate, say who they feel say go do better job. Yes, as much as he go do better job for Nigeria, he go also do better job for them. The Indigbo also the Indigbo Association, now for them also made them sit down say who out the candidate who go do better thing for Indigbo. Now so politics be as different group they go to lose say this person who go work for them. Well, for example, if you look like even association like the NMA and Nigerian Medical Association, all of these accountant association, the engineering lawyers, everybody go to look in caucus say who go do better thing for them. So now so normally elections supposed to be, because we know they to pay attention, we know to get time. Now people just they do election anyhow, politics just they do anyhow. And so when did they do all of this endorsement? Yes, endorsement matter well. So what it means say like say they go call to say this group now this person we they support, or we know they support this person, and then the people where they around for that group where we say they align with waiting this group they talk, they feel say anything where they talk now better thing they talk for them because they watch their interest, then they go that way. And then for some way go feel say they don't care whether anything where their group talk, they already know the person where they want vote for, the kind of person where they go vote for, they go kukuma go another side. So now so it be. But before I round up, may I tell you say this election as we did like this way, not be election, not be like the kind of election where we did get before. This one where we did anything if it happen. The power there for people hand. That person where want at the most, where work hard the most, where the people want, now it go be. So that one before where we they get, where we did say, oh, it's either this person or that person, or this person, now it go. We dear again. Just everything they don't scatter them, not be the way we do day before. And now people might they can't get power, can't get mouth for inside the matter where they talk like this as we did like this. So and so as they watch and now. If people don't give up, or they continue, it go come be saying that the person where they want, where people want, now it go emerge, and also politics supposed to be.
Okay, this thing where you talk now onto people, I say where person want as a day important. One confusion we call the grant also now say people they look say okay, but waiting who I want, where go give me waiting I want. You know, say now two things be like that. Who go give me waiting I want? When I look and finish, who go give me what I want and who I can't want. Some look say, now these bros, where don't they do this thing? They come, they talk, say, I'm capable, I am this, I am that, now ain't be. Some go look, say, this man, in record way they try put for front, he no enter at all. What do you think say Nigerians want now? Where they important pass for them? Because somebody tell me this morning, say Nigerians, say, as we go, they shall say we want something, we still want to suffer. Join the words where we want. You reason like that, and what do you think say Nigerians supposed want for inside this 2023 election will go different from all the other elections where they don't they look they come or they follow they come.
You know, say the big thing where they for this Nigeria be say we get one kind attitude where we say everybody they feel say if they look for the person where go win. So I want join body with person wey go win, so that when the person go they celebrate, you know when us Nigerians, now for Nigeria matter, they hear person go say I they tap into your blessing. So you know why you don't care how the blessing take come, whether they see the person do, where that thing happen, you go just want to. Even for election, now so people they reason election matter, like saying a football matter. You know say for football, anyhow you want make your team win. Now where as you see some people say now where now team where they win, now there they join. If they don't want to where they say the team cause they lose, you go see that they go just come on, they go jackpot, they go enter another team. So then they think say for election also not the same thing. So you go find people, some people go they tell you say I know this candidate or this candidate, now he go do well, now he go do better thing for Nigeria if he enter. But he no go win. So because of that, may I vote another person. So that kind of mentality, and a mentality where people supposed to throw away. Now the same kind of mentality with that kind of where people be they talk, say, you know, say, how did they even talk? I say a vote don't count. If you notice now, nobody they talk that talk again. Everybody don't know say that talk na yama talk. When they talk, they tell people that time when they tell people say if vote no they count. Why politicians they buy vote? You think say they like to spend money. People when they go hold Indomie master, they no go give you. This say they will come they carry money, they give you anyhow. But now people don't they come they understand, they say vote count. So the next thing when they come, they tell themselves, this person feel no win. The only way where person they feel win now when you one person put vote, another person put vote, another person put vote, they can't the vote, they go like that, you can't get the highest number of votes. Another one that person they take with. So this mentality, so now the biggest mentality, the problem where we get is that when some people go, they say they know who go do the work for them, they know who go up, but they go they say, because of this, because of that. You know why that thing they happen? I know they blame some of these voters now because they get people where they say when things don't show them pepe, when they don't hear why, they get the people where they run to. They'll go meet you, they cry. Now some person will come meet you, they cry, say if you kid they sick, if you kid the hospital, if you kid did this one, somebody go write you message say he never chop, he never pay school fees, he never do this one. Now people they help them. The thing where government supposed to do, where government no go do, they go they carry and come people place. When you come there, they say, oh but go meet your government, and they will say the government no they accessible. But every 4 years, when the government they come accessible, they come meet you, say may you vote them. Instead of may you look for politician, may you look for the better one where go work for you. When you know go they run, go beg people for money for school fees, for money for your pikin where they sick, or you where you they sick, or you where you need money, may you take go abroad. You know go do that one. You go come for the people where you say they go win, rather than the people where you still know say they go work. Even if they win, where they go enter. They go do bad things, they go spoil things way full ground. So that the biggest problem we get is that way people they think that way. But me at the talk, I know they tell people, I say, me, that's on 2019, 1st of January 2019. I tell myself, say, I know they do stop gap for people where they hold their government accountable. You know, if you vote any yama people into office, they'll come they do yama thing, they'll come they carry the yama thing, come meet me. Now, they'll come they carry the one off my head. Tonight, I know go sleep. I think of people who send me there, so I go they send money to. Even though I never feel this up till now, get to 100% where they tell people say I beg carry your matter go meet government. I don't do that level where some people as soon as I see the person I will tell and say who you vote for. You get rep now, you get House of Rep member, you get senator, you get a governor, you got president, you get a local government chairman. Go meet them and you tell them the wahala way they grant. Because if you don't meet them, when we they tell them say wahala they grant, they're gonna tell us what we they like. And you when you not meet them, now they clap for them. I'm gonna tell them what they do, they know they do and well. So now there with the so people to us, so we must begin to they do tough love. They talk to people as they say where do I vote. If you collect 10,000 naira, they vote anyhow. You go drink water for that 10,000 naira for 4 years. Now so it would be.
Aisha, you talk plenty things now, but you get one thing where you talk where I want to bring you back come this issue of regional endorsement. Because if we look at, we could just talk as a team B. Now endorsement based on tribe. Now endorsement based on religion.
Yes, so if you want, I don't hear so nobody they hear me.
We they hear you, you they hear? You they hear me?
We they hear you.
Madam Aisha, you they hear me? Why come last night when I talk, now this thing this is network. You they hear me now?
We they hear you. We hear all the things where you talk. We hear all the things where you talk.
We hear everything.
We hear them.
Everything. We hear everything.
Because I thought since as I said quiet, I don't want to hear anything.
No. We don't want to make you learn. We want to make you learn. As you don't learn now, don't they ask you question. I say, get waiting you talk, for inside all this plenty talk where you talk now, where you see, I want to bring you back to this issue of regional endorsements because as the matter be, whether we like them or not, now endorsements based on either tribe or religion. And you talk another thing, say this matter will say people not the reason who go do the work for them. They go reason who go win. You not feel say it still follow for all this region matter where we they see. Because you talk about, okay, for instance, Arewa Consultative Forum now, they hold meeting for, some of the presidential candidates, not be all, some of the presidential candidates. As a matter of fact, Ogarabi Ukwankwaso talk say, he not agree to go that meeting because he not reason say this northern endorsement, he say a good something. Say, it be like say, he go still bring gap between, the way politics dey for inside the country. So he not go because of that, according to the theory where we get. And you go the reason from that matter say, if even if Arewa Consultative Forum or Afenifere or different people them, they one reason who go do the work for them. Not be all the 18 presidential candidates they suppose carry come they ask question. Why can't be like say they carry some, they not they carry some. Not be already region matter, tribe and religion matter where we don't they see. Inside, even how they take, they know who they go endorse or who they not go endorse.
You know, say it gets something where Oyibo man they call 80-20 rule. And 80-20 rule, for example, now like if they do market, they go talk say now 20% of your customer, now then they give you 80% of your income, wait the money where they make. And if they do at the market to man, they buy and sell. And if they do business, they know that one. Then the rest 80%, and then they give you 20% of the income. But you go feel sometimes at the other 80% where they give you 20% of the income, now then they stress you fast. So like in normal business setting, I go see they go focus on the 20% customer where they give their 80% of the income. So that 80-20 rule, people they use them across for different sides of different aspects of life. That Arewa, I know to follow and know how many people they carry. But I remember say I see someone where do message, where do Twitter message, where talk say he get person where come from that where they for among the people who organize that Arewa meeting where presidential candidate come. Say the person talk say the person will perform the best. Because as far as I'm concerned for that Arewa where I know, they call presidential candidates, say, make una come talk, make people hear una. I don't know whether they endorse any one person, but they just ask and say, wait till una get for us. Whether they will go inside house, come talk the matter, I don't know. But he said, the person tell and say, amongst the whole presidential candidates will come, they say the person will do best, will get better mark. If they now mark, then they mark all of them. Say the person not even there among any of these parties where people know. Say even that person on the day where he come, media no carry am. Things no carry the thing. I saw that person put that for Twitter. I remember I can't reply. I don't know whether I can't talk for the time. I don't even feel it, but whether I can reply for that. Now somebody can't tell me say, so why me I don't check that person? Can't go, can't support that kind of thing. Now I talk say, see, the thing is say this world where we dey now like this, so social media don't democratize media. So even if that traditional media no come to you on your own, you go use social media to propagate your message. You don't feel they tell people say make they come house, come meet, to come no person where go sabi pass. Because even like now, you get people who know they even run for president. Where if you say you get someone where we say they sabi pass the people where they run for president. But if you no run, you no run now. If you dey inside house, so now the matter for this kind of thing. So you no go expect say okay, maybe you say some people fit choose then and some they will carry. Because they look and say that 80-20 rule, this one's never even begin to do anything. It gave me as I did here, other than that time where I check where all the presidential candidates don't come out, where I check the list, say who be the one where I will support. Some of them, you know they even see them. Some of them, they hear them, they know anything where what happens. So I the one when they carry them come. That one another thing. But the thing be say, say people they always think say, oh, this matter. People feel say, who go do whether na region, make person no can say who go do something for them. Life is about selfishness. Everybody's selfish. Everybody get one way they body. Me as I dey here now, I get my selfishness. My selfishness for this election, say I dey look for person who go do Jackie work for me. I dey look for person wey be say if I vote and finish, you enter office, you go carry matter for her, they work like Chris person. When be say all these people when they come meet me, they can't ask me for money for their children's school fees, money to eat, money to person wife they hospital, they want to do CS, no money for CS. You go they run around say, I don't want to do that kind of thing again. I don't hire. I want the person who go come, you go arrange government where so they government go they do that thing for person. I want the kind of enjoyment where I enjoy with my own money. When people when not get that kind of money where I can make them at the enjoy, make government they provide for them, make they enjoy. So that my own be that one. So this one when we say I feel the people go get their own. They want the one where go good, the person will go come, where go work. At the end of the day, where go good for the Southwest, for Yoruba land. It's a normal thing. That's the way it is. Nobody asks anybody make they no form the association. For example, me I come from Esako I come. If Esako get their own forum, they can't invite the presidential candidates. They come, they go there, go do their meeting. They go check the one where they want check. Where they know say it go work for them. When they work for all the different regions, that's why relate to what they work for Nigeria. So that there's something selfish about people about religion. The only thing when we say when they say religion and ethnicity, now they say when you see person where no sabi. person they behave anyhow, a person way say upset not to correct like that. Because as we did now, so it get richer. The whole of this Nigeria no richer where insecurity dey like northern region. And I dey talk and me Aisha Yesufu talk am too. And I don't put water for my mouth where I dey talk am. I dey talk am, maybe you hear me clearly. No region where insecurity dey like northern part. No region where poverty dey out of which they call the thing where you want to. But who be president? He come from the north. He don't spend almost 8 years for office. What do people see? And a lot of people now, for that not, especially youth and women, they realize, say, that thing when they tell us, say, make we vote our own, make we vote religion, make we vote party, make they work. Because they don't say, and 7 years when they are on the office, it don't work. When they keep us, they don't ask whether the president for your town will be. When they rape women, when they steal children don't they bomb with terrorists and kidnappers. Nobody they ask them whether president will come for their country or for their part of the world or whatever. Now, if you say better person will do the work, it will better for everybody. And if it better for one region, it will better for all region. And it will continue like that. So the demarcation, so many people know they say, it could be like, say, people they do tribalism because they say they endorse one. Every region, everybody, they do best, when they do their own forum, come presidential to ask and say, what you now want for us? Not only these regional bodies, but trade unions, what do they call them, organizations, what do you call this other professional association, all of that, market women, you call them, make una ask them, say, what did they go do for market women? What did they go get? Bricklayer union, bricklayer, make una call them. That's what politics be. So everybody will find here who will be the best people to do better for us. Then you go endorse her. If una members like una endorsement, then the people they go vote for them. And you say that person, as they go on job, so make una they sign up for ground with them. So it una talk say na do. So I make the person enter office, may not come the tell say you don't talk those things. That's still go be na so politics they be normally.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. One question where I be want ask you, where they are mind, where we don't the reason since. One question where I be want ask you, of all the presidential candidates we come outside, the one will be like say with the hear your talk, say you follow go Nasarawa and Peter Obi. If I get to reach one bus stop, when you talk, say you go hold them accountable. Say this election about survivor for your children and grandchildren, and say you go hold them accountable inside this election where we did so. So make I call ask you. For those who won't vote for other people, we no be Peter Obi, we no be Atiku, maybe no be Koko, so maybe now a person we will never even know. How Nigerians feel hold person accountable? How you they do them? How you go do them to hold anybody? Let's say, for example, Peter Obi win. How you want hold them accountable?
So the first thing we say, for me, 100% I'm a Peter Obi supporter. I know that one for sure. And for me, because I know that I look at. As I look before I support, I went to say the primaries finish. As the primaries finish, all the names of all the people I sit down, they check them, they did this assistant, and this one will enter, they go do Jackie work for me. Go carry Nigeria matter for head. For me, as I told before, I try to do for that. And the thing with holding anybody accountable, you see, as we get here swear, as we vote finish, when we don't vote, they don't announce winner. Bam! I go occupy my office of the citizen. Office of the citizen, I be the highest office in the land. And that's what everybody, but the biggest problem when they get is say people go vote finish, they will go have to sleep. They go say, leave and now, don't talk. You're going to say, but if you see something where they do when no right, you go talk and they go say, may you live by, which they enter, just enter, may set there's something like that. Before person enter office, you go hold that account, they scrutinize that if you do anytime, you go show and face, may they tear face. Not say, they laugh with that. You understand? If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Whether before election, during election, or after election, that's what the thing will be. So how people want hold that they say, when you see something where they do, when no right, come and talk am. Say no right. No say because I mean vote am. Now the biggest mistake what people they make that they go say they vote for person or because they support person, then they don't supposed to criticize that person. How that thing won't happen? If you vote for person, if you support the person, not be life sentence now. They don't send you to life sentence for jail. Yes, you give her in support. And the biggest way you go support person, so when you see say they do something where no right, you go call and say, bros, that thing no right, correct and na so they get to. And if the person come correct and guess what will happen? Now you go better for. Because if as Peter Obi, when Peter Obi enter by the grace of God, he can't become president. If Peter Obi they do anything anyhow, I go talk. I go tell and say, bros, this thing no day. Even now we already do one. And Peter Obi na president. That's what they want with our first talk. What I tell us, I know nice. I know nice. Like, I see me like this. I know nice. I go if my he come to say yes. Now wait one be that. One person will tell and say wait till they happen. The bad news I want. They always talk am. He says so that may know may work on the team. Because probably when you get say people when they are around them, they tell and say, oh, you are the best thing after jollof rice. I look at I say yo. I said, I tell you something. Me, I don't go praise you. I don't get time to praise you. I go praise you after you don't finish your 8 years as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I call you, I would say, God, you do well. So that 100 years from now, people will go come to Nigeria, when they go born inside Nigeria, they will remember, say, one person they will call Nigeria, when they call a Peter Obi, now he set Nigeria for the pathway it's supposed to be. So now the thing be that. So anytime when you see something we don't wear, criticize her. Don't just say, you see the only one, don't talk to him, don't defend that, don't be small picking. You know they do that, not be learning, they learn how to work, you know be small picking. If you tell her what you know they do well, then you go come correct her. Now in tenure, now it go good. All that psychophancy when we say somebody go do something when no way no to correct, they don't want to talk, they go to please and they go to do all sorts of things. And now they don't they kill Nigeria. And now it's going to stop with that. So everybody now. So if you vote, whether you vote am, whether you don't vote am, as long as you win, now your president and now your worker, now your employee, now you be the boss. Not be president, be boss. Now you when you be citizen, be boss. So you go hold them accountable. You go to watch the movement. If you do anything, you go say, stop and there. Okay. This thing you not do well. Right. Make you do it like this.
Don't leave that talk for there now.
Wait. That best way they go. Yeah, go ahead.
All right, thank you very, very much, Auntie Aisha. Our time done there. I sure say they don't give signal to even for your side, say the meeting won't end. So we go just say thank you very much for all the talk where you don't follow us talk. Hopefully we go bring you come back another time because it gets some kind of strong questions where I still won't follow ask you again, but it will be another time. Thank you so much for the time we don't follow us join.
Thank you so much for having you.
Thank you. All right then, and I don't hear as the Madam Aisha get to talk on top the matter of endorsement. One thing where she talk, I want make una carry go house, make una the, as you they drop, as they drink water, the reason and they come. She said nothing wrong, but the most important thing be say when they call, they call all the presidential candidates. Any group where you dey, hairdresser, vulcanizer, not be only Afenifere and all those ones. Even though we they see even within the same Afenifere, they get different people where they endorse. Arewa group come out, they talk one side, the black say they lean, they go one side. Now in the Arewa youth group come out, they can't talk another person. So at the end of the day, everybody get what they want. The most important thing is say know what you want. Make sure say na correct thing now you they follow and look for who will give you the answer to that question. Not leave and say at the end of the day it go be tribe, it go be ethnicity, it go be religion. Now waiting I carry for waiting she talk inside the matter be that. My name is Nyesom Wike.
But at time now we don't spend on top program today. Thank you, say you join us. Okay, more live on like that now. My name is Femi D. Amele. Thank you, say you join us.